How did you find this weekend?
Really informative.
Really informative?
Yeah.
Did you get any product ideas this weekend?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. The first day we did the hot product research and found a lot.
Would you recommend this training for anyone else interested in learning about Amazon?
Yes, I would. Definitely.
What's something maybe you feel that you really got from this training that made it worthwhile?
I came into this training hoping to get out of it learning more about social media and marketing, and definitely got that. Yeah, I'm already on it and using it.